Here are some potential benefits of consuming ginger and cloves together. 1. Provides anti-inflammatory benefits. Both ginger and cloves have been shown to reduce markers of inflammation in humans. 2. May improve brain function. Regularly consuming ginger and cloves, or taking ginger and clove supplements, may help protect your brain and improve cognition. 3. May help protect against cancer. Both ginger and cloves contain compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. 4. May boost heart health. Ginger has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Cloves also have antioxidant properties that can help prevent heart disease. 5. May help regulate blood sugar levels. Ginger can be helpful in digestion by controlling high sugar levels. Cloves have also been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels. Ingredients: cloves, ginger,